Top 5 Best Folding Treadmill for Running. Number 5. Assault Fitness AirRunner. Want a great workout and help the environment? The Assault Fitness AirRunner is a non-motorized, manual treadmill that uses no electricity. It's powered entirely by you. As you step forward on the contoured, slatted belt, it moves backward, so you set the speed. The AirRunner was designed for high-intensity interval training, and the company claims its durable belt will last 150,000 miles. A simple LCD screen shows your time, speed, distance, pace, watts generated and estimated calories burned. Amazon reviewers rave about the product. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's as good as you think it is. Yes, you should buy it. Another reviewer praised the AirRunner for pushing them to work out more often, saying, "It's magical, operating is simple and has caused me to run much more than I would have ever imagined, just so friendly and inviting." Reasons to buy. Saves on electricity. Durable belt. Reasons to avoid. Very expensive. Coming in number 4. Horizon T101. If you want a no-frills treadmill for a simple run or walk, then the Horizon T101 is the best bang for your buck. Since it costs less than $600, you don't get a touchscreen or live studio classes. What you do get is a solid, sturdy machine with a powerful motor, shock-absorbing surface, cooling fan, and Bluetooth speakers. The well-designed dashboard lets you change the speed and incline with the touch of a button. And Horizon T101 easily folds, thanks to a handy hydraulic-assisted lift. Reviewers on Amazon raved about the Horizon T101's quick assembly and whisper-level operation. One reviewer called it the quietest treadmill I've ever encountered. Others noted the treadmill's value for the price, saying, "If you aren't into the bells and whistles and just want a basic treadmill, this is the one for you." Reasons to buy. Affordable price. Powerful motor. Reasons to avoid. No HD touchscreen. Coming in number 3. XTerra Fitness TR150. The inexpensive XTerra Fitness TR150 is best suited for walkers or for light joggers since it has a shorter belt and a lower max speed than other treadmills on our list. The design makes it easy to fold and store away, which makes it perfect for anyone with a small space. The simple LCD console tracks calories, time, and pulse, while preset keys allow for quick changes in speed. While not a high-end treadmill, the TR150 is a great value, as Amazon reviewers note. Both my wife and I use the treadmill daily and love it. It is built solid, and the programs provide us with a different workout each time, one wrote. Another lauded the small footprint of the machine. It's not huge, so if you are looking for a space saver, this is it. Reasons to buy. Inexpensive. Foldable and portable. Reasons to avoid. Short surface deck. Coming in number 2. Echelon Stride. The Echelon Stride sits between treadmill categories. It's not cheap, nor high-end. In most categories, it's just fine in terms of build, power and features. The Stride has fewer bells and whistles than more expensive treadmills. For instance, it doesn't have an HD video screen. Yet, it also boasts an easy-to-use folding mechanism which makes storage a snap. The Stride can be paired with a tablet running the Echelon app, which provides access to live and in-demand studio classes for a monthly fee. If you're looking for a cheaper Peloton alternative, then the Stride plus the Echelon Fit app mostly fits the bill. Reasons to buy. Easy folding mechanism. Strong but lightweight. Reasons to avoid. No HD touchscreen. Coming in number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 1750. NordicTrack is a trusted brand that has produced reliable, steady treadmills for years. Among its lineup, the Commercial 1750 is the best option that combines great features, convenience, and affordability. For under $2,000, you get a treadmill with a decent-sized screen, Flex Select cushioning, an automated fan for cooling and a space-saving design that folds up. The Commercial 1750 comes with 1 year of iFit, which streams on demand, interactive trainer-led global and studio workouts. One Amazon reviewer said, "I love the treadmill, quality is excellent, does everything I could want it to do." Another raved, "I have been blown away by quality and functionality of the Commercial 1750. I absolutely love the iFit software that's built into the beautiful touchscreen display. It's allowed me to find a true passion for the fitness community." Reasons to buy. Sturdy construction. HD touchscreen. Free year of iFit app reasons to avoid. Expensive.